one main thing that has always been overlooked in many different types of medicines is the breath. It is definitely a universal concept if you're a human or even if you're an animal, that your breath is your link to your life energy. Your breath, so that is the common thread that basically is the undercurrent of every living creature on this planet, is the breathing. Even the trees breathe. Even the trees breathe. We know that even the entire cosmos, as it expands and contracts, is the act of breath, the life energy. And so that is the most common threat or the link within the entire existence and the universe and humanity, of course. And if you pay attention, and I talk about it in my book, Holy You, that's coming up, that if you count the number of breaths in animals, you see a direct link between the number of breaths in 1 minute and their lifespan. So for example, elephants that can live up to 80 to 100 years, they in fact breathe about more or less 10 to 12 breaths per minute. Humans breathe about 12 to 18 to 20 per minute, and they live about 80 years. Dogs, as you see how they pant and they breathe so fast and a lot. So they breathe, if I'm not mistaken, about 20 to 40 or even like 40 to 60, something like that. I don't remember right now. And they only live about 15, 17, maybe 20 years. And turtles breathe so few times per minute, and some of them can live for 300 years. So the breath, the more shallow it is and the faster it is, that means you're breathing more times per minute. The more shallow it is, and you're not even paying attention to it. And that means you're breathing more times per minute, and that decreases your lifespan. And that is directly involved with a lot of mental, emotional, and psychological issues. So we know that, for example, people with anxiety, they are shallow breathers. They don't deep breathe. They don't do long and deep breaths. And a lot of times they're even holding the breath. They're not even breathing. You know, something happens, they do shallow breathing and they don't, you know, sometimes they don't even breathe for like a few seconds. They hold their breaths and they're not even aware of it.